Dear children, in the compound interest without using the formula, exercise A, fifth problem I am explaining. Calculate the compound interest for the second year on rupees 8,000 invested for 3 years at 10% per annum. Dear children, a person invested for a compound interest in 3 years. How many years? Okay, no problem. But what is the question? We are going to calculate in the compound interest for second year. At the end of the second year, in the second year, how much compound interest is collecting? You should find. That one I am finding. Understand it? Don't take confusion. Don't go to find the complete 3 years final amount. Coming to the solution part, you will understand. Solution, dear children. Okay. Now, data, given data, what is it? Look here. This is the principal. P can be denoted by principal rupees 8,000. Okay. Then rate of interest is 10% per annum. Okay. Now coming to the for first year. For first year, that rate of that how much interest I am paying, I will explain. Look here. First, formula, what is it? Interest formula is equal to PTR divided by 100. I will substitute the values. Principal amount, how much is it? Principal 8,000 is it, into time is 1 year, into rate of interest 10% divided by 100. Simplification I told already. Don't multiply directly. You should cancel numerator and denominator something. 20 cancel. Remaining interest is equal to 80 into 10. It became 800. I got that interest, dear children. That first year interest, how much I am paying? 800 rupees. I am going to find in the second year interest, compound interest. Second year compound interest, what means? I will go to, what is the next step, dear children? I will find out the first year, at the end of the first year, amount how much? Amount is equal to, look here, dear children, at the end of the first year, amount is equal to principal plus interest is equal to the beginning of the first year principal, how much is 8,000 plus interest, how much we got? 800. That two addition, dear children, what is it? 8,000 plus interest is 800 is equal to 8,800 is the at the end of the first year amount, dear children. Okay, this point I understand. What is next step? Next step is for second year. I will come here. For second year, dear children. For second year, we are finding compound interest. Second year principal amount became changed. We will not consider this one. At the end of the first year, the amount how much is, that amount will consider second year principal. Keep in your mind. Principal is equal to 8,800. Then rate of interest, no changes, only 10% is it. 10% per annum. Okay, what is the interest formula? Interest formula, you know that, dear children? Interest is equal to PTR divided by 100. Substitute the values of PTR. P value 8,800 into time 1 year into rate of interest 10 divided by 100. 20 cancel. Numerator 20, denominator 20 cancel. Interest is equal to 88 into 10 is equal to 880 rupees. The compound interest for second year, final conclusion ends. Compound interest for second year is rupees 880. What they asked the question, that much answer you keep, that much enough, dear children. This is second year. Okay, understood? They asked here, calculate the compound interest for the second year on 8,000 rupees invested for 3 years. How many years invested? Don't want that one. Don't bother about. What is the question? For that one answer you find it by using the data, principal amount on rate of interest. That's all. Easy is the, dear children. First what I did? I consider principal amount. In the first year, I find out the interest. Then finally, at the end of the year, amount how much? That amount considered the second year principal. The rate of again interest formula. Then substitute the values. I find out the interest. Second year interest. This is the conclusion answer. Shall I continue one more problem, dear children? Yes. Dear children, sixth problem, I will explain the question. A borrowed rupees 2,500 from B. Here person name is A. A person borrowed rupees 2,500 from person B at 12% per annum compound interest. The compound interest, how much is it? The rate of interest 12% per annum. After 2 years, the person A gave rupees 2,936 and a watch to B. The person A gave after 2 years rupees 2,936 and a watch to B. Understanding? To clear the account. The person A cleared the account after 2 years. How much amount he gave? 2,936 plus one watch. Understanding? He cleared the account after 2 years. Find the cost of watch. After 2 years, that person A how much cleared? You know that. Plus one watch. Means first I will find out at the end of the 2 years how much amount will come. Person A he received the 2,500 from B at the rate of 12% per annum compound interest. After 2 years, A person how much amount it became to give B person. Shall I find that one? Coming to the solution part. Solution, dear children. Okay. For first year, look here. For first year, dear children, that interest formula, interest is equal to, otherwise, before go to the interest formula, I will write down the data. Principal is rupees 2,500, comma, rate of interest is 12%, dear children. Okay, what next step? Interest formula. Interest is equal to PTR divided by 100 is equal. Principal amount how much, dear children? See. Person A received from B how much amount? 2,500. That is the principal amount, dear children. 2,500 into for 1 year into rate of interest 12 divided by 100. Then you already understand, dear children. This 20 cancel. Remaining interest is equal to 25 into 12. That multiplication how much will come? 12 5s are 60. 12 5s are 60. 0 6 carry. 6 carry. 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 6 30. Understanding? How much? It became 300 rupees interest, dear children. For first year, the compound interest is 300. 25 2s are 50. 0 5 carry. 25 1s are 21. 25 plus 5 30. Clear? Interest amount 300. At the end of the first year, amount is equal principal plus interest is equal to, what is that value? Principal amount is 2,500 plus interest is 300 is equal to 2,800, children. Okay, what next step? After 2 years means I will find out second year also. For second year, dear children, for second year, in the principal I want. Principal is equal to, the second year principal is nothing but at the end of the first year amount. At the end of the first year amount, we will consider second year principal, that is rupees 2,800. Then rate of interest is same only, no changes. How much is it? 12%, children. Now interest formula is equal to, interest is equal PTR divided by 100. Substitute the values. Principal amount, what is the principal amount for second year? 2,800 into, that time is for 1 year also, 1 year only. Rate of interest 12% divided by 100. Here also dear children, 2020 cancel. Remaining interest is equal to 28 into 12. Multiplication you know that. 12 ones are ever. 12 eggs are 96. 96 means dear children, 96 6 9 carry. 12 twos are 24. 24 plus 9. 24 plus 9 33. Means 336. 336 rupees is the interest, second year interest. I find out the second year interest also 336. At the end of the second year amount is equal to this. Amount is equal principal plus interest. Which principal? Second year principal. Don't consider this one. Second year principal how much is it? 2800 plus how much it became second year interest? 336. Correct, isn't it? 336. Should do the addition neatly. Do it fast. 2800, 336. 0 plus 6, 6. 0 plus 3, 3. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 carry. It became amount is equal 3,136 rupees. This is at the end of the second year amount, etc. This is the at the end of the second year amount. What is the question here, dear children? After 2 years, person A gave to person B amount 2,936 plus one watch. That watch value how much became in this loan? Now, dear children, A gave after 2 years to B person. A gave after 2 years to B person. How much amount? Rupees 2,936, dear children. Okay, what next step? A cost of watch is equal to cost of watch. Cost of watch is equal amount minus cleared amount. Cleared amount is equal. What is the answer? How much it became at the end of the second year? 3,136 minus cleared amount is 2,936. What is the difference, dear children? Cost of watch is equal, dear children, see, this is greater number, this small number, subtraction. 6 minus 6 0, 3 minus 3 0, 1 minus 9 not possible, means 11 minus 9 it became 2, remaining 2, here also to cancel. That cost of watch is 200 rupees. Easy is the, dear children? Like application questions came means you should understand the question and then should find neatly, dear children. Let's continue one more problem, dear children. Yes. Dear children, seventh problem, I will explain the question first. How much will rupees 50,000 amount to in 3 years? Compounded yearly. If the rates for the successive years are 6%, 8% and 10% respectively, dear children. Understand the question? Once you observe the question, dear children, carefully. Dear children, here example, I am investing 50,000 amount for 3 years. Compounded yearly. Not for simple interest. I am collecting compounded yearly. Rate of interest of it is a rates for the successive years. For 3 years, first year one rate of interest, second year another rate of interest, third year like this. Respectively, what is it? First year 6% rate of interest, second year 8% rate of interest, third year 10% rate of interest. By using this rate of interest, how much amount became at the end of the 3 year? Shall I go to solution, dear children? Coming to the solution part, solution. Now, dear children, for first year, I will write down that data. Principal amount is rupees 50,000. Rate of interest is 6%. Interest formula is equal to PTR divided by 100 is equal. Principal how much is it? I will substitute the value. Principal 50,000 into time is 1 year. Time is 1 year. Rate of interest what is it? 6% divided by 100. Now dear children, simplification. The numerator in product, denominator monomial is a single term. 2020 cancel. Remaining interest is equal 500 into 6. 500 into 6 is equal. How much that amount? 5 6 are 30. Shall I write? 5 6 are 30. 20 as it is. That interest is equal to rupees 3,000 happen. For the first year, for principal 50,000, rate of interest 6%, interest became 3,000. For the end of the first year, amount is equal principal plus interest is equal to which principal? First year beginning principal 50,000 plus interest is at the for first year interest 3,000 is equal to 50,000 plus 3 means 53,000 rupees. 53,000 each. This is the first year amount for 50,000. Rate of interest 6% each. What next step? For second year. Now I am going to for second year each. For second year, look here, principal amount. The principal amount for second year 50,000? Wrong. At the end of the first year, how much amount became? That amount is the second year principal. That is 53,000. Okay, come on. Rate of interest how much is it? First year 6% over. The second year 8%. Now interest formula. I is equal to PTR divided by 100 is equal. Principal amount, shall I substitute the principal amount each other? Principal amount is 53,000 into time is 1 year, rate of interest 8% divided by 100. Easy sir? Yes. You will do easy, I know that. 2020 cancel. Interest is equal to 530 into 8 only is equal to. What is the value? See, 530 should multiply by 8. How much became? 8 into 0, 0. 8 3s are 24, 24 4, 2 carry. Then 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 2, 42. That it became rupees 4,240 rupees for second year interest. Amount is equal to each other. That amount is equal to, for second year, amount is equal to principal plus interest. Principal plus interest. Look here, which principal? Second year beginning principal, which one? That is 53,000 plus second year interest 4,240 is equal to how much addition? I will show. Look here, 53,000 plus 4,240. 4,240. It becomes 04275. 57,240. 57,240 rupees became at the end of the second year for 50,000. I am going to finding the amount of 3 years at the end of the 3 years. For first year for 50,000, 53,000 will become respective interest. The second at the end of the second year for 50,000, that amount becomes 57,240. Understand how we which method we are following? Third year, for third year, look here dear children, for third year, principal amount, look here, that principal, at the end of the second year, what is that amount that became principal? What is that? 57,240. That principal became 57,240. Is it right? 57,240. Then rate of interest is third year 10%. First year 6% over year. Then second year 8% over year. Third year 10%. per annum compound interest. Interest formula is equal to PTR divided by 100 is equal to principal amount. Shall I substitute here? Yes. Principal amount is 57,240 into time is 1 year. Rate of interest 10 divided by 100. Dear children, look here. How to cancel here? 1 0 here 10 1 0 cancel. Another 0 cancel is equal to 5,724 into 1 into 1 into 1. It becomes this one only. Interest is equal to third year interest is 5,724. The amount for at the end of the third year amount is equal to principal plus interest. Which principal? The third year beginning principal, that is 57,240 plus interest for third year interest 5,724. These two addition what happen? Easy addition. Look here. 0 plus 4 4 plus 2 6 2 plus 7. Dear children, first digit addition, second digit, third digit 2 plus 7 9, 7 plus 5 12, 1 carry, 5 here no digit, 5 plus 1 6. 62,964 is the amount. Shall I write the conclusion, dear children? Yes. Look here. Conclusion, what is it? What is the question? How much will 50,000 amount to? But for 50,000, for rupees 50,000 at the end of third year, amount is equal rupees. What is that rupees? 62,964 rupees. This is the conclusion. For 50,000 rupees at the end of third year, that amount became 62,964. Understood? First, given principal I considered for first year. The first rate of interest I considered. Substituted for interest formula, I got interest. Then finally I amount to find out that at the end of the first year. For second year, that at the end of the first year, amount became principal and rate of interest 8%. I substituted all the values in interest formula. Then I got it interest amount. Then amount is equal to 57,240 at the end of the second year. Okay. If they ask for amount in 2 years means this is the conclusion answer. They ask for third year means for third year the principal amount became second year end amount is principal of third year. Then rate of interest 10%. I substituted all the values for interest formula. Then I got it. Interest is equal to this much. Amount is equal to this much. Easy is the nature. Conclusion understand? Shall I continue one more problem? Yes, children. Ninth problem, I will explain the question, dear children. Govind borrows rupees 18,000 at 10% simple interest. Example, I am a Govind. I borrows money 18,000 at 10% simple interest. I collected 18,000 for 10% simple interest. How much amount? 18,000. Immediately, Govind immediately invest the money borrowed at 10% compound interest compounded half yearly, not yearly, half yearly 10% compound interest. How much money does Govind gain in 1 year? Dear children, I told already, Govind he collect the rupees 18,000 at rate of interest 10% for simple interest for 1 year. 1 year, dear children. In the same 1 year, again Govind invested the 18,000 half yearly 10% compound interest. Means half yearly compound 10%, next half year compound interest 10%. In these two half year, he will gain more amount. Understanding? For he collect the money from others simple interest 10%. In between, how much extra amount coming? You know that nowadays the financial how they will do the business. You know that some big money persons he will give money in simple interest. financials collect money we collect from somewhere. Then that money they will invest somewhere in compound interest half yearly. That time that financiaries became a middleman. That middleman will gain the middle amount. Like here also, Govind is the middle person. He borrow the money someone in simple interest. Then he invested half yearly compound interest for some others. The Govind is gaining in the middle broker money. How much is gaining the money in 1 year? That one I am finding, dear children. Shall I continue solution part? Yes, you will understand step by step, dear children. Observe carefully. See, Govind, he receives or borrow the money from someone. Solution. Dear children, solution. Look here. See, look here. Govind borrows rupees 18,000 at 10% in simple interest. Okay. Therefore, otherwise given in the given data. In the simple interest for 1 year. Look here, dear children. So look here. For 1 year, simple interest. How much simple interest? Simple interest formula is equal to PTR divided by 100 is equal to principal amount. Here how much is the principal amount? This year's principal amount is 18,000, dear children. I will substitute 18,000 time only 1 year. T time is 1 year. In case simple interest for 2 years means in the place of T I will write 2. Time is 1 year. Rate of interest is how much is it? 10%. 10 divided by 100. What it became simple interest? Simple interest is equal to 2020 over 180 into 10. It became 1800. The simple interest became 1800. Understand? This is a simple interest for 1 year for 18,000. Okay. Now, second step. Govind immediately invest rupees 18,000 at 10% compound interest half yearly, dear children. Here Govind gave the simple interest for someone, but Govind collecting the half year interest, compound interest. How much? That interest formula, you know that interest formula is equal to PTR divided by 100. Otherwise, first half year, I will write that one. First half year, dear children. For first half year, look here. For first half year. For first half year, how much interest became? Interest is equal to PTR divided by 100 is equal to principal amount here 18,000 into time is half year means 1/2 into rate of interest 10%. Rate of interest is 10%. Time is equal to half year. Understood? Okay. Principal amount is this one. Okay. Now rate of interest 10 divided by 100 as it is. Okay. Now what next step? Here 2020 cancel. Interest is equal to, look here, 2 ones are this one. I will cancel this one. 2 ones are 2 nines are 18 and 1 0. 90 into 10, it became 900. Any confusion? No confusion. Look here. Principal is 18,000 into time is half 1/2 into rate of interest 10%. Okay, this is data. Okay, don't take confusions. Divided by 100. 2020 cancel, remaining 180 into 10 divided by 2 0. 2 ones are 2 nines are 18, 1 0 as it is. 90 into 10 become 900. See, look here. This first half year 900. Okay, understanding that amount became. I am doing compound interest, dear children. See, amount is equal to principal plus interest is equal to principal is 18,000 plus 900, it became 18,900, dear children. First half year amount. Then now I am going to for second half year. For second half year. Look here, children. The Govin is collecting the interest for half yearly ones. Understanding? Up to now we did yearly ones interest, half yearly. Because of in the place of time half. Here also same formula, interest is equal to PTR divided by 100 is equal to principal. You know that. See, this principal is for second year, principal is equal to 18,900. Understood? 18,900. Rate of interest is 10%. Time is equal to half year. Here also half year. Okay. Principal amount how much is it? Look here, I will substitute principal is 18,900 into time is 1 by 2 into rate of interest 10 divided by 100. Look here also again 20 cancel, 2 1s are 2 5s are children. Interest is equal to look here, then 189 into 5 will come. This multiplication, look here, is 5 9s are 45, 5 4 carry, 5 8s are 40 plus 4 44, 4 carry, 5 1s are 5 plus 4 9, 945 interest came, dear children. Okay, then amount became at the end of the second half year, amount is equal to principal plus interest is equal to principal. In the second half year, principal what is it? 18,900 plus interest is 945. This two addition, how it became, you know that? See, 0 plus 5 5, 4 plus 0 4, 9 plus 9 18, 8 1 carry, 8 plus 1 9, 1 as it is. 19,845 at the end of second half year. Understanding, dear children? Now, in this 1 year, first half year, second half year, final second half year, we that Govinda is collecting money 19,845. In this 19,845, principal amount how much is there? Beginning initial principal amount 18,000. If I subtract it, remaining amount became compound interest. Shall I find that one? Is look at the children. Then compound interest is equal to that amount minus initial principal. Initial principal. See, shall I substitute? Amount is 19,000. Sorry, children. 19,845 minus initial principal is 18,000 is equal to, in this 19,845 minus 18,000 means remaining 1,845 rupees. We got 1,845 rupees is a compound interest for two half years, first half year, second half year. In these 2 half years, compound interest how much collected going? 8,845. Otherwise, first half year interest is 900, second year of interest is 945. These two addition became 8,845. But Govind paid, he borrowed the money 18,000 for 10% simple interest. He paid only 1,800, but he collected 1,845. What is the question? How much money does Govind gain in 1 year? I will write the conclusion here. Don't take confusion. This is final step. Govind gained in 1 year. Govind gained amount in 1 year. Amount in 1 year is equal. Look here. Compound interest minus simple interest. Okay. Compound interest how much is it? 1,845 minus simple interest is 1,800 is equal to, he gained only 45 rupees. Sir, for this much only he did this much business. So yes. See, brokers for this small amount only they are doing the business. Understanding? some financial they are investing their own money, but some financial they will collect the money somewhere in simple interest like this. They will invest it in their own business in the financiers. Understanding? They will collect like this compound interest. That amount, if I subtracted, this is the growing gained amount in 1 year. Understood, dear children? No confusion? Easy is it? Okay. Dear children, who are incompleted still now, ICSE board registration, do it fast, don't neglect. See that deadline is there, go and meet early. Our school office receptionist, they will give the information, don't neglect. Okay, similar problem you should practice, dear children. Good luck.